Hi guys, it's Jasmine Rachelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to get a slicked back ponytail, and I just finished co-washing my hair with the Carol's Daughter cleansing conditioner, and now I'm going in with my wide tooth comb and I'm going to part my hair on the right side of my head. It really just depends on the person when it comes to which side you like your parts on. And I like my part on this side when it comes to me slicking my hair back. I'm now going in with my spray bottle and I'm just spritzing water at the top of my hair so that it will be easy to style. The leave-in conditioner that I'm using is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in. I bought this from Walmart and it's very cheap and it does very well on my hair, so I love this product. So now I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and I'm going to smooth down my hair so that I can pull it back. You want to make sure that your hair at the top is very sleek. Once I pretty much have my hair where I want it to be, I begin to pull it back with my elastic hair bands, and you want to wrap it around as many times as you feel necessary. In order to slick down my hair, I'm going to use the Curls Passion Fruit Control Paste to slick down my edges. You want to make sure that your edges are nice and smooth and sleek. And I'm just going to keep doing my edges until I feel that everything looks perfect. And that is it for my slicked back ponytail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one.